Today's video, I want to show you an amazing music AI generator called Suno. Suno gives you the ability to create music of any genre with lyrics using only a text prompt. To get started, you want to go to suno.ai and click on the Make a Song button in the top right-hand corner. You'll be prompted to log in with your Discord, Google, or Microsoft account, and once you do so, you'll be brought to the main screen. This tab, which is the Explore tab, has trending music that creators have posted for everybody to enjoy, and I'll play you a few examples.
Gather round now, it's turkey time, catching up with all your kin and vines.
On the left-hand side, you have the library tab, which are the songs that you've created will be posted here, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. And when you go to the Create tab, this is where you can start off with creating a song. There's two ways you can go about doing this. One is you can just tell Suno the type of song that you want to create and the genre, and just hit Create, and it'll generate it. Or if you want to go into custom mode, you can go ahead and put in your own lyrics, specify the genre, and the title of the song. When I was testing this out just on its own, I had asked it to create a catchy pop song about two people meeting and falling in love for the first time. I want to share with you some of those examples.
When I saw you across the crowded room, my heart skipped a beat, I couldn't breathe.
Here's another one.
Walking through the crowded city streets, all in a rush, hustle and bustle all around.
What I did was I went to ChatGPT and I put in the same text prompt and I asked it to create a song. So the title that it gave the song was First Glance Love Dance. And you can see that it has all of the verses and the chorus and an outro. I then took that information, switched to creator mode, and put it into Suno for it to generate a song. And I want to share with you what it created. Here's another example. If I wanted to go ahead and use this song, I could go here to the three dots and click continue from this clip. But before I do that, I can copy the chorus and I can copy the verse. And then once I go to continue this clip, you'll see it defaults to custom mode, and then I can then paste the lyrics, and I can revise the text prompt asking it to generate new lyrics and keep the same chorus to continue this song. I really enjoyed this one that it created here, and what you can do is you can then go to Get Whole Song, and Suno will generate a full version of the song. Instead of having it in short clips, which is about 30 seconds, it'll create a full 2-minute song. Once that's done, you can see here it will add a full song tag to it. And if you want to go ahead and download it, you could do that. You could also do it as a video, and if you wanted to share it with someone as a link, there's an opportunity to do that. And if you just wanted to keep it public and post it for everyone, you could do that as well. Here's what the video looks like. I want to talk about pricing. So Suno is completely free to use, and you get about 50 credits a day, which allows you to create 10 songs. If you go with the Pro and the Premier plan, you can get anywhere from several hundred songs all the way up to several thousand songs to create every single month. The key feature of Pro and Premier versus the free plan is if you go with the paid tiers, you can then take those songs, put them on music streaming services such as Spotify and Apple Music or YouTube, and when people are playing those songs, you can monetize them and actually get paid for those streams. I've looked at a bunch of music generating services, and I feel that Suno is the best. And if it's something that you're interested in, definitely give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.